All right, good morning, everybody out there in YouTube. Good morning to all current students, active students, people making it happen. Let's get into these charts today. See what's going on this NFP Friday. Uh, da-da-da. All right, there we are. Let's see how things are rolling up top here. All right, so starting to get some rejection here on SPX. Nas still showing no signs of stopping, even though he got some work to do here on the downside. US 30, all right, looking to fulfill uh, this entire move down. Hopefully, they can get that done today, and then the rest of the day we can see some bullish behavior. All right, France 40, TP just about hit. I'm gonna take profits on that. Silver down and back up. Gold down and back up. I had a lot of mess on gold, so I need to clean it up. I'd say day by day charting has you marking like everything, and I don't need that much information. So let's clear the board. I'm gonna set some obvious uh, important structure levels here. Let's get down into the 4 hour. All right, looks like I'm coming off of this. Honestly, until it breaks this range we're obviously stuck in, I don't really want to do much with gold. But from a higher time frame perspective, let's get into the weekly here. All right, we do have what could be considered a lot of sell side type of action here, right? So we came up, rejected nicely, right? Get a nice bear, another nice strong bear, right? So it's typically the evening star setup and pattern that you want. Retrace back to per value gap, right? Immediate rejection there. Did not want to bring up settings. Get it together. Right. So there is the idea for sales to come in, right? For next year, as we talked about in the overview at the top of this week, the head and shoulders patterns there where it's needing some type of pullback, some type of calm after this nice big bullish year this year. Um, so we're looking for that. I'd love to see if those sales can come in from this bearish engulfing candle we have in here and start that descent would be awesome. Let's take a look at the dollar, right? Dollar has a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern there. We're also looking at that retesting a very crucial area that we talked about yesterday. So from the 4 hour perspective, things look good for the dollar. I mean, let's see, I don't know what kind of news results we have here. Did NFP already happen? I think everything for the dollar is done. So 7:30 news, all is taking in effect. So I'm not really too much worried about that at this point. So now I'm just looking to trade what it is. If the dollar starts to descend from this point, we'll be able to take some buy opportunities on a couple of things. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It is a Friday. So honestly, if you don't find anything or not entered into anything by noon, there's not too much there for you. But I like the idea of a head and shoulders pattern here. I like the idea of a double top neckline retest. So I'm sure the others will hopefully uh, turn into buys that have a dollar base. All right, GU hit take profits, both take profits, which is fantastic. So there was about 50 pips to be gained out of that. See what GJ has decided on. All right, GJ may be gearing up for another sell-off here. Let's go to the daily. Sure. All right. Maybe 1 second here. All right, I'm back. So let's see what happens next. We closed on yesterday's daily, right? So that definitely tells me that bulls aren't fully ready to take this market over as of yet. We also haven't really bottomed the 30 for the RSI as of yet. Gotten close, but we get a nice bear candle today. This may lead us into more sells into next week. USD CAD keeping the bull game strong. UJ did not give me the retest. Maybe on a smaller time frame. But ultimately it did sell off, so it is what it is. And not, hey, look, we're talking crypto here, not USD, you want to take a look at. All right, we fulfilled a nice fair value gap here at less than a penny. Previous highs are 2 cents high. So you're looking at a 224% gain if you can get not USD. A little nugget to throw in there for you guys. So let's check silver. Still within the 4-hour candle. I would love to sell this as well, along with gold, to be honest. So we'll see what the dollar does. The dollar can break, back above this high at 106, 120, then we'll see more bulls there. If not, then we'll start to see those bears come in. A nice 4-hour engulfing here would help with that. Nice 1-hour bearish engulfing here would help with that sell side idea. Otherwise, guys, you're going to be looking for a lot of buy opportunities on the dollar above 106, 150. Other than that, that is it from me, guys. I'm not going to do any trading today, but I will see you guys for next week. No NFP week. One of my favorite weeks is the second and third week of the month to be trading. So please be ready to tap in next week. And I will see you guys then. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the weekend.